Hello again, app developers. You have all of your tools. So it's time to create the project file you will be creating your first app in. I had Mr. Smith create a brief video showing you what to do. I have also posted a link to Google's written tutorial. Isn't it exciting getting started? Wherever you have the ADT file saved, I want you to go ahead and open that up, go inside of the Eclipse folder, and open up the Eclipse app. After the Android Developer Tools app opens, you're going to need to select a workspace. I just call mine workspace, and I keep mine in documents. You could choose to do something different if you'd like. You just hit browse, and then you can choose somewhere else. Actually, I just changed that to saving inside of a file I call my cabinet. And after a moment, your new workbench or workspace will open up. I was okay with sharing my usage statistics with Google. And then you're going to create a new project. You could do that in the drop down, or you could just click on build your first app. I'm calling mine my first app. Change any of the default settings, just click next all the way through, and finally finish. And this is going to be important to you all because this is a stopping point for us, but you want to be sure that you haven't lost this work. So let me show you. I'm going to go over here to my Finder and open up in my developer folder. That's where I keep my development folder, rather. That's where I keep my ADT bundle at. So the next time I open up Eclipse, or here, I'll just go ahead and open up Eclipse and show you what I've got right now. I'm ahead of you all. I'm working on something different. But you'll see once Android opens up, it'll open to the file that I'm currently working on. So my point is, now that you've done the work to create your first ADT project file inside of Eclipse, you can just exit out of Eclipse, and when you come back in, as long as you haven't worked on a different project, which you shouldn't for the time being, just stick to one project, it will open right back up to the workspace and to the project that you're currently working on. So if you look up here, here we go, my first app, and this is different stuff than you guys should have so far. Yours should just be blank. But when you exit out, so I'm just going to go up here, and I'm going to go say quit ADT, so it'll save my workspace, and I will leave. Okay, so now I'm all back out of it again. Double click and open up one more time. My computer's wondering what I'm doing here, but open back up, and it will open right back up to that same workspace. So once you've finished this project, or rather not the entire project, once you've finished this task that I'm putting up for you, which is just creating your first project file, when you open back up, you'll come back to the blank space that you should have right now and be ready to work on your next task. Okay, until next time.